Hi all, this is Abhay Mahajan and I welcome you all to this amazing series called Inmo Question of the Day. The question of the day for today is, let n be a positive integer. Prove that the equation x plus y plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 3 and does not accept solutions in the set of positive rational numbers. So that means there does not exist positive rational numbers x and y such that x plus 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon y is equal to 3 times an integer. ऐसे x और y rational numbers exist नहीं करते, right? So this is what we have to prove. Now, before I go ahead with the solution, you can pause this video, try this on your own for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then come back and take the hint, right? So one of the hints is, one of the best methods to do these sort of questions is by contradiction. So let us assume there exist x and y rational numbers. Please be aware that these are all rational numbers and not integers. So this is the kind of first mistake which students do. So x and y are rational numbers and not integers, right? So let us assume that there exist rational numbers x and y such that inka sum is equal to 3 times an integer, right? Obviously n is a positive integer and we're talking about positive rational numbers. So let there exist rational numbers x and y such that x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y is equal to 3, and I'm not writing that. And let x is equal to a upon b and y is equal to c upon d, where a, b, c, d are integers and GCD of a, b is 1 and GCD of c and d is 1. So let these be integers in the simplest forms, rational numbers in the simplest form. So this is the assumption, right? And we'll try to contradict this. We'll try to contradict this because this is what the question demands. So if we try to put the values here, so we have a upon b plus b upon a plus c upon d plus d upon c is equal to 1. So we have a square plus b square upon ab plus c square plus d square upon cd is equal to 1. And if we try to cross multiply this, because मैं cross multiply इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because एक Diophantine equation बन जाएगी जिसके अंदर a b c d इंटीजर्स होंगे, जिसको solve करना बहुत आसान है, and Diophantine equation हमने बहुत बार किया हुआ है, right? So it's cd into a square plus b square plus ab into c square plus d square is equal to a b c d is equal to a b c d. So this is an equation where a, b, c, d are integers, and we need to contradict this particular statement somehow, and that is how we'll arrive at a solution. Now, so what do we have? So cd into a square plus b square plus ab into c square plus d square is a, b, c, d. Now we can see that यहाँ पर भी cd है, c and d are integers, यहाँ पर भी cd है, इसका मतलब cd also divides this. So cd divides ab into c square plus d square, right? So cd, this is a multiple of cd, this term is a multiple of cd, that means this term has to be a multiple of cd. Likewise, this term is a multiple of ab, this term is a multiple of ab, so this term has to be a multiple of ab. So that means ab also divides cd into a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Now again, you can pause this video, solve further, take about 5 to 10 minutes before you resume the video for the next hint. Now since cd divides ab into c square plus d square, so that means we also know for the fact that GCD of cd and c square plus d square is equal to 1. GCD of cd and c square plus d square is equal to 1 if GCD of cd is 1. If GCD of cd is 1, then this is true, and this is a very common result, and we can also prove this. So we'll try to prove this separately now before we resume with the solution, right? And for those who do not know this result, pause this video right away, try to prove this on your own, and then we will move back to the solution. So बच्चों मान लेते हैं कि CD और सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर का जीसीडी 1 नहीं है, मान लेते हैं सी डी एंड सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर का जीसीडी p है विच इज नॉट इक्वल टू 1, सो दैट मीन्स p डिवाइड सी डी एंड दैट मीन्स p ऑल्सो डिवाइड सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर. सो p अगर cd को डिवाइड करता मतलब p should divide either one of c or d because gcd of cd is 1. So if p divides c and p also divides c square plus d square, so that means p also divides d and that means gcd of c and d is p. GCD of C and D is P, which is not true, but GCD of C and D is 1. So that means this cannot happen. This cannot happen. तो इसका मतलब GCD of CD अगर 1 है तो CD and C square plus D square का GCD भी 1 है. This is pretty obvious. This is pretty obvious. So अगर CD और C square plus D square का GCD 1 है, that means बच्चों CD divides AB. CD divides AB. और similarly AB और A square plus B square का भी GCD 1 है, that means AB also divides CD and that means AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. This is a pretty standard result. अगर ये चीज है तो AB has to be CD. Plus minus होता but we were talking about positive rational numbers, so AB has to be equal to CD. AB का वैल्यू CD के इक्वल होगा. यहाँ तक पहुंच चुकी है बात. सो अगर AB का वैल्यू CD के इक्वल है तो यहां पर AB की जगह CD पुट कर दो एंड यहां पर AB की जगह CD पुट कर दो और CD एक CD और एक CD कैंसिल कर दो. सो व्हाट वी आर लेफ्ट विद इज A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस C स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर. ओ सॉरी, इट शुड बी 3n here. It should be 3n here. It should be 3n here. Is equal to 3NCD is equal to 3NCD. तो यहां तक कहानी पहुंच चुकी है. अभी भी कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन नहीं हुआ कहीं पर भी, ठीक है. अभी तो हम बस सॉल्व करते जा रहे हैं, कहीं पर भी कुछ भी कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन नहीं आया. इसके बाद हम कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. n is an integer, cd are integers, a square plus b square plus c square plus d square are integer. So let us try to contradict the statement after this. I hope this is clear to everyone, right? तो यहाँ तक जो भी हुआ एक बार try to absorb everything before we move ahead. And again, you can pause this video for about 5 to 10 minutes if you got the things and hang of it. And I'm very sure 5-10 मिनट और लेके तुम solution पर जरूर पहुंच जाओगे and you'll be able to contradict this. A square plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 3NCD. You'll be able to contradict this, right? चलिए. So let us move ahead and try to contradict our last statement, which was A square plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 3NCD. So since these are all integers and this is equal to 3NCD, so that means 3 divides A square plus B square plus C square plus D square, right? And इसके obviously we know some things. एक तो AB is equal to CD, this is something we know, and we also know that GCD of AB is 1, GCD of CD is also 1. So this is something we had assumed and this is something we had proved. Now if 3 divides A square plus B square plus C square plus D square, there can be many cases. So case 1 is each of A, B, C, D. Each of A, B, C, D is divisible by 3. Case 2 can be exactly 3 divisible by 3, exactly 2 are divisible by 3, exactly 1 is divisible by 3, none out of A, B, C, D is divisible by 3. सो ABCD की बात करते हैं और हमें ये पता है कि any number A is of the form either 0, 1 or 2 mod 3 and A square is of the form always of the form 0 or 1 mod 3. किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर या तो 0 mod 3 होगा या 1 mod 3 होगा. This is what we know. And let us discuss all the five cases and discard them one by one, and hence our result will be proven. So you can again pause this video for some time, try to use all the 5 cases and contradict in each of the 5 cases that this cannot be done or this result cannot be done in any of the 5 cases, and will be done. So this will be the contradiction, right? Now, so let us take this one by one. So first is each of ABCD is divisible by 3. So obviously this cannot happen. Because अगर सारे के सारे 3 से divisible हैं, तो ये result prove नहीं होगा. This will not be true because we know that GCD of AB is 1, GCD of CD is 1. If each of these 4 is divisible by 3, this result will not be true. So A case खत्म हो गया. Exactly 3 are divisible by 3. Let's say A, B and D are divisible by 3. So बच्चों अगर A, B और D divisible by 3 है तो C has to be divisible by 3. So again ये first case ही हो गया. So this is also not possible. Because अगर exactly 3 divisible by 3 है तो कोई ना कोई 2 इन दोनों में से कोई ना कोई एक पेयर का GCD 1 नहीं होगा, right? Now let us look at this case. None of this is divisible by 3. So none of ABCD is divisible by 3. So if none of ABCD is divisible by 3, so can I say A square and B square and C square and D square will all be 1 mod 3? And if I add them up, this will not be true. ठीक है, because अगर add करेंगे, so A square plus B square plus C square plus D square will be 4 mod 3, but I need that 3 should be divisible by A square plus B square plus C square plus D square should be divisible by 3, because 3 divides A square plus B square plus D square plus D square, so this will not hold true in this case also. Exactly 1 divisible by 3. Let's say A is divisible by 3. So अगर A divisible by 3 है और B, C, D 3 से divisible नहीं है, तो ये statement गलत हो जाएगी. If any one of these 4 is divisible by 3, the other right hand side should also be divisible. One of the numbers on the right hand side should also be divisible by 3. So this is also not possible. Exactly 2 of them are divisible by 3 and 2 are not divisible by 3. So मान लेते हैं कि A और C जो है वो 3K की फॉर्म के हैं and B और D जो है वो 3K की फॉर्म के नहीं हैं. तो A स्क्वायर जो है A square and C square will be 0 mod 3, while B square and D square will be 1 mod 3, and इनका addition will be 2 mod 3. Again this does not hold true, so this will also not occur. So this was our contradiction. So in none of the 5 cases this is actually possible. And this proves our result that there cannot be positive rational numbers of the form x and y such that x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y is an integral multiple of 3, and this proves our result. I hope you enjoyed this question. Take care.